To July predictions. Here are predictions for July 2026. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish gurus and my spiritual gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. July is a very important month because it's going to act like a bridge between the first half to the second half, where the first half started with a bit of challenges with a nice warm pause as predicted in the month of June. However, July is going to be like a turning point. Things are going to start changing, but it's a very significant month. For many of you, there are new opportunities coming towards business partnerships and love relationships, while many of you are also going to end some relationships and move away from them. So an important month for love life, because many changes are coming. For a lot of people, it's going to be a very spiritual time, because through these love equations, you're going to actually start looking at life differently and will act as a major turning point for you. For businesses at large, this is going to be an important month because there are going to be a lot of different new policies happening around finances, around trade, and geopolitical scenarios. The market is going to see a correction. There's going to be new policies getting announced towards the end of the month around technology, around AI, which is going to impact the market as well as businesses and economy at large. Is this going to be a major correction? No, but there will be a correction. However, the market is not going to slide down majorly yet. It will in the coming time, but not yet. There will also be some correction in banking, finance, and crypto. So you need to watch the stocks carefully and decide based on your professional knowledge and understanding of things. I'm only giving you a guidelines on things. The gold prices are going to continue to go down and fluctuate. So if you want to buy, this is a good time because the prices are going to come down. But in the long run, it's still going to be a good bet and it will recover in times to come. So look at it that way. Overall, a month where geopolitical scenes will shift once again. As the month comes to an end, you are going to see friction coming back in various regions, leading to again creating a situation where political tensions and war scenarios can start forming in the coming months. This month will lay the seeds or lay the roots of again starting the war scenario in the coming times. This month is also important for new policies, as I mentioned, and you need to keep a watch on things because a lot of new stuff happening in the business and the economy sector globally. So an important month. Pay attention to what are the changes happening around you because there are going to be many. Avoid misunderstandings and important communication issues this month since things are changing a lot constantly. Second week to the fourth week, a lot of things are going to change. Go slow with long term decisions. Don't get locked into things that will not give you the best option in the long run. Review things carefully. I wish you the best. I'll be back with predictions next month. Till then, take care and have a cautious month ahead. Watch out for travel, not the best time. Some regions can be hit with storms, cyclones, tornadoes, and such issues. So watch out and be cautious if you're planning travel. Take care, stay safe. Have a good month.